ElevenLabs Scribe could be perfect if it had the following features. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've already done a couple of videos on ElevenLabs Scribe, how you can use it to automatically transcribe your audio into text, and we already know the quality of the transcript is awesome. Now, I believe the folks can make it even better. And I'm going already logged in. You can sign up from the link in the description below if you don't have an ElevenLabs account. And then I'm going to go to speech to text. Now, from here, it's awesome to see that you can do a deletion now. Previously, it was not possible, but it would be awesome if you can easily just have a checkbox on this side where you can select a bunch of audio files or even video files and delete them at once. Furthermore, a checkbox can be also useful, especially if you can be able to create some folders and put or categorize your audios or video files into different folders for the files that have already been transcribed. That would be highly welcome. Something else that has been added, if I open one of these particular files right here, is we now have an edit function. I was going to put it in this video, but you beat me to it. But we now have the possibility to edit, because obviously this was just a block of text that makes no sense. So now you can edit by just clicking on that. And let's assume you're right here and you want to make this into a new paragraph. You just need to click on this to adjust the segment, click in between here to split the segments, and you can do that for all the different segments that you want right here. So all the way to until you're comfortable with what you're doing. If you want to go back to the preview section here, you can click on that and then use this pen tool to kind of make the edits. So the edit functionality is really awesome. But maybe what we can do somewhere right about here, move the text down slightly and accommodate the video into more or less a space that you can easily kind of bring down the transcript to be able to preview the video at a bigger kind of stage. That would be highly welcome. Maybe another feature right here, if we actually go back to the home page right here, it would be awesome if we could have import of a URL, maybe a YouTube video, and automatically transcribe it into a transcript or even subtitles using ElevenLabs Scribe, because as it is, ElevenLabs is doing a really good job right here. Now, for the next part, for the few features that I'd kind of really like to see, I'm going to do some few comparisons here. For example, if I'm going to do like ElevenLabs, let's say the export features. Now, the export features are more or less plain. If you go to the SRT and click on SRT, it downloads the SRT right there and then. If I open it up, it's not possible to know what they're using to kinda decide where they're going to actually subdivide these particular subtitles. But if I do a comparison with something like Otter, Otter.ai, and the only issue with Otter is that you can only have X number of imports of audio, which is a downside. But their export features, if you go to more options, export, this is more or less what I would kind of like to see in maybe ElevenLabs, because you can now come to the file format and choose SRT. From here, you can show speaker names, add line breaks automatically, max number of lines. Let's say you wanted to do 1, and maximum characters per line. The sweet spot is between 32 to 42. Let's say we go with 37. And then once you're done, you can click on export. It's exporting. If I open this, it looks much cleaner than what we have in this other one from ElevenLabs. So this one, some of them are really long, and for the Otter version, you can see it's kind of short. So that would be something I'd highly welcome. And this is the same. For example, if I go to export subtitles, and this is in Descript, you also have the option to show speakers, maximum characters per line, and so on and so forth. And if I hit on export, you can get this, save, and it's going to be saved right in your downloads on your computer. So those are some few places you guys can borrow from, especially in terms of subtitles. In terms of exporting transcripts, if we go back to ElevenLabs and then we go to export, let's say we want Let's say we want what? Text. If I click on text, the text is just going to come right there. Now that's okay. If you also do a doc file, if I open it up, it looks like this. I wish it also respects the kinda segmenting I've done. I'm not sure. Subtitles. So let's see if it actually does that. Let's move this slightly. No, it does not. It should also take up this when instead of now having to reformat this over and over again when you export as a doc. But of importance here is if we go to the transcript in Descript, there are different options here. Include composition name, include markers, include ignored text, include speaker labels on every paragraph, and time codes. Especially this would come in handy if you want to exactly know where this happens. There are also other options here: paragraph breaks, speaker labels, markers, time code offset, and so on. But let's assume you wanted an interval of 60 seconds for that particular transcript. So if you had a 1 hour or 30-minute, then having the timestamps would be really, really important. Let's say we want, how long is this? This is about 43. Let's say we go with something like 15 seconds. And then for the format, I'm going to go with plain text and then click, actually copy on clipboard, and then just open up a new notepad. You can see the timestamps are appended as they should be. Let's see. Yeah, the 15-second mark and the 30-second mark right there. Super awesome in Descript. I do believe also this happens in Otter. Click on more options, export. We are going for a text file. You can show timestamps right here, and you can see the timestamps for the different options here. But with Descript, you now get to kinda fine-tune the timestamps the way you want them to be. Let's see if we go with a doc, combine paragraph or same figure. So a ton of features you folks at ElevenLabs Scribe can kind of borrow from to actually improve on the transcripts that are produced right there. Maybe something else I can think of, and I'll read something here, is you already have a very good product here that is automatically transcribing audio in different languages really good. So what of adding a feature to automatically translate the transcripts into different languages? More money for you, and make life easier for everyone. Also exporting timelines. I do believe in Descript you can export timelines for different options. Let's say you want in Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Makes it easier, and if you've done this really good with this particular product, I believe that is something you can easily do. Maybe also having a summarize function to summarize the transcript would be really handy. And then more text formatting. Let's assume somebody wants to bold a section right here. Should be able to do that, or maybe have some options to do that. And I believe in Descript, all you need to do is just do that, and then make your edits the way you want to make. If you wanted to bold, you can just do that. So makes a lot of sense to do that. And maybe my last one, I believe I've talked about folders, having folders, maybe in the first homepage here, but maybe the final one. Let's assume somebody wanted to burn in the subtitles to a video. Have a feature to export, burn in subtitles to video, and that is why I'm mentioning that if I'm working with a video, it should have its own kind of dedicated space. For example, if we look at Descript, you can see what is going on right here. If I actually add captions, let's see, I go with this one, applying captions. You can see here, if I go to export and then I go to video and do local export, everything that's on the timeline is going to be burned in as it is. So I'm hoping that these few features can be incorporated in ElevenLabs Scribe, because I do believe it's a game changer for ElevenLabs Scribe, because it's already a really, really awesome tool, with its transcription being really, really good. From what I've compared, if I actually even did a comparison for my audio, English is not a first language to me. What Descript does versus what ElevenLabs does is ElevenLabs is much better with transcription of languages, and I've actually even tested a Swahili audio, and it's really good in what it does. So those are some few features that can make ElevenLabs Scribe perfect if they can be added in ElevenLabs Scribe. I hope this video is value to you. Thanks for watching.